guys, welcome to Fitness with Diva. This is Power Dance and it's a dance fitness tutorial. It's been 3 years already that I have released my Wannabe by the Spice Girls video on YouTube, and I want to thank you all so much for liking it, for sharing it, for dancing along to it, and also for requesting this tutorial to happen. You've asked me to show you the moves and break down the moves with the counts and slowly, so this is what we're here for today. Keep on scrolling on my channel and check out my other dances, my other workouts. Like, share, subscribe, click the little bell button for notifications, and let's dance. All right, guys, this is it. So there are 4 main parts actually in this dance, and I'm gonna break them down for you into counts. Let's start with the very beginning. You're gonna kick with your right leg, kick with the right leg, feet back together and tap on the left side. Do the same thing now with the left. You kick, close, and tap. We add some arms into this. Cross and open, cross and open. With the counts, it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now close your feet together and swing your knees to the right, to the right. You open, pose, leaning on the right side. Now we do this all over again, starting with the left leg. You do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, feet together, 5, 6, open and lean on the left side, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Swing 5, 6, jump out, 8 to the left. 2, 3 and 4. Swing, swing, open and pause. Now you're going to jump with your feet together and punch in the air. Right, left, all the way around with your hips, and then to thrust. Yes, let's put that part all together. This is the intro, and it also come back. It's also a pre-chorus, so it comes back 3 times in the song. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 2 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7. Jump. 3, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let's move on to the verse now. It starts with a grapevine on the right side. A grapevine is composed of 4 different steps. One opens, the other one crosses. It opens and then feet together. Now you're going to tap the heel on the right side because you started on the right, back together, and then you tap your heels right here, your heel on the left side, and then we go to the left. 2, 2, 3, 4. You start left, then right. Now we're gonna add some arms. It goes up and open to the side. 4, 2, 3, 4, up and open to the side. There is another time where this verse comes back and I made a little modification to it. Yes, let's give it a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, cross, feet together. Jump out and in. Tap, that remains unchanged. 2, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 4, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's do the pre-chorus and then let's do the chorus, the main part. All right, this is the pre-chorus again. Kick and tap. 5, 6, only one time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It goes. If you want to be my lover, you got to get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you want to be my lover, you have got to give. Taking it's too easy, but that's the way it is. Excuse my singing, all right? But I created it to the lyrics, all right? So let's break it down into counts slowly with a step touch. Open the elbows and back in. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Point to the right, left, bring it to your heart, swing, right, left, and magic fingers to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, swing to the left, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gorgeous. There is one more, a little break when they're rapping, and this one is very easy. It's 4 times 8 count, composed of 2 different movements. And I call the first one a chicken. I don't know why. Well, you will actually understand why. I never knew the real name of this. If you know, well then, you know, like, just share a message in the description box below. By the way, I will share the link to the main dance in the description box, so you can go back to it and dance along, and then come back to this one if you need to practice your steps more, and then go back to it and back and forth. 5, 6, 7. Here is the break. You're going to kick with your left leg. You're going to kick the right one with the left leg. It goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 2, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now you're going to jump with your feet together, and 1, 2, whine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it, my friends. You are now ready to go back to this video and dance along and have fun with it. And thank you again for watching this. I will see you guys again very soon. So much more coming up. Bye.